Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was telling my friend about how to find 365 days of watch hour. So here in the computer studio is pretty easy because you just click here. The default is always 28 days. So if you want to find the 365 days, you're just gonna click over here 365, and that is changed here. If you want to do the lifetime, you're gonna click lifetime. So that's my lifetime. But in the phone, YT Studio is different. So here's it look like. In your YouTube Studio in the phone, you click this watch time, and this comes up. You click this, and this comes up, and you pick 7 day. There's 90 day and 365 day. You click 365 day, and you scroll it up, and then you can see the 365 days watch hour. That's the one that requires for monetization for 365 days to reach 4,000 hours. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.